This is the BR3 fitness band. It's really nice, little small thing with a few buttons on it. Some sports you can get into with GPS support, running, cycling, walking, and a whole variety of other things, including yoga and swimming, as well as ice skating. Oh my goodness. You also have push messages from your phone when you're tethered and events that you can track, an onboard smart stopwatch, and countdown timer. It also supports a compass, which is in here too. And you have your overall settings, which is where you can change watch faces, assign something to that long press of that button, do smart tracks, which you'll have to learn about. It's a way it can automatically figure your stuff out. 24-hour heart rate computation. Do not disturb so it won't light up at night, 24-hour or 12-hour time, change your languages, adjust your brightness, and on and on and on. It's a pretty cool little watch. It does a lot of things, including heart rate and fatigue measurements to help you with your workouts. It is the BR3. Check it out.